Do you know the inside layout of this house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area here. The size of this area is 14 feet 4 inches into 15 feet 4 inches in meter 4.36 into 4.67 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement, tea table arrangement, also TV unit on the front wall, and we have a kitchen counter with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a dining counter with 3 chairs and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. We have a long glass panel for light purpose and a common washroom plus water closet here. The size of this washroom is 4 feet into 12 feet in meter 1.21 into 3.65 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we'll go inside. So we have 3 feet in meter 0.91 meter wide passage here, and on the left side we have a bedroom number 1 here. The size of this bedroom is 10 feet into 12 feet in meter 3.04 into 3.65 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and also wardrobe, and we have a study table with 2 chairs and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. After that we'll go inside. So we have bedroom number 2 here. The size of this bedroom is 10 feet into 11 feet in meter 3.04 into 3.35 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, also large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and we have a attached washroom plus water closet with this room. The size of this washroom is 10 feet into 4 feet in meter 3.04 into 1.21 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.